Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to develop a WordPress website in localhost. For developing a website, you need server and the domain name, but using the localhost, you can develop a WordPress website without server or domain name. It is very helpful for the new students or the beginners who can do the development, and later on this complete website can be moved to the server and the domain. You can make it live later on. So let us begin. First of all, you need to download the XAMPP Apache from apachefriends.org website. You can download the setup file depending on your operating system. XAMPP Apache supports Windows, Linux and Mac OS and Mac as well. I'm gonna download Windows. Once you download, double click on the setup file. It may ask for user account control. Click on yes. You may get this warning. If you have created multiple user account on your computer, it is recommended to create a different partition on your hard disk and install the XAMPP software in another partition. Do not install it in C drive like C program files. Click OK. Click on next. Click on next. From here you can change the path. I'm gonna change it to F drive. Click on next. Select the language. In my case it's English. Click on next button. Click on next. It will start installing. It will take less than 1 minute. Just wait for installation. You need to give the whole or full access to all like Windows Defender. Click on allow access. Finally click on finish to complete the installation. You will get this kind of control panel. Now starting the XAMPP control panel, click on the start on the Apache. Then click on the start on MySQL. If you get any Windows security alert, click on allow access. Both modules, Apache and MySQL, must be green in this color. Now we can open our localhost in the web browser. But before that, we need to download the WordPress as well. For downloading the WordPress installation file, go to wordpress.org. Click on the Get WordPress button. Now click on the Download WordPress and you need to download the WordPress. It will be in the zip format. Next step is to extract the content from the WordPress zip file. I'm using WinRAR. You can download any free software for extract the content from this file. Now right click over here, click on the WinRAR and click on extract WinRAR. It will extract all the data. The next step is go to this folder, again this folder, and you can see these files. Now go back. Now press Ctrl C to copy this WordPress file, and now go to the folder where we installed the XAMPP file. This is the path where we installed the XAMPP. Now go to htdocs and paste your WordPress folder over here. You can right click and paste, or you can use the shortcut key Ctrl V. If you want to develop multiple WordPress websites, just make a copy of it and give some name. In this case, for example, I want to develop vtutorial, so I can rename this file to vtutorial, and I will create one more copy and I will rename that folder to virinfotech or WordPress, whatever it is. By that way, you can develop multiple WordPress website in one installation. But in this case, I'm going to install WordPress and want to develop only a single website. Now we are going to open the localhost control panel in the browser. Before that, make sure both modules, Apache and MySQL, is running perfectly. It must be in the green background. Now open the Chrome browser or any other browser and type only localhost and press enter. Click on PHP My Panel. If you see this window, it means everything is perfect. and you are ready to install the WordPress. Before that, we need to create our database. For that, you need to click over here and give the name of your database. I'm going to give WP database. Click on the create button. In the next step, I need to add the user accounts. Go to privileges, click on add user account, give the name, leave the host name as it is, give the password, retype the password, and make sure grant all privileges on database. WP database is enabled. You need to click on that and click on this button. It will give all authorization to this user ID. And now go down, click on the go button, and now our user account vtutorial has been generated. Now click on the new tab. From here type localhost/WordPress, enter. You will get this installation window. Now click on let's go button. Give the database. It must be same as we created in the localhost PHP myadmin. Here you need to give username, password, click on submit button, click on run the installation. You can leave the site title later on. We can set the title after the installation. Enter the username once again, enter the password or your email ID, then click on the install WordPress, and now we need to log in. Our installation has been done. Click on login button, enter the username, enter the password. Here is the screen of WordPress. Now we can develop our website. Hopefully guys, this video help you to install the WordPress in localhost. If you have any query, please comment, like the video and subscribe our channel for getting this kind of videos. Thank you friends for watching my video. Please come back again.